We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MyMathLab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also.
Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on the YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss a next assignment that is related to chapter 3. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we have to make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video, we will discuss Exp22 Excel chapter 3 HOE jobs. We just increase its size and change its color so it must be visible. Here is project description. Okay, we just increase its size and change its color also. So we will solve this assignment step by step. You will follow me and you will get 100% marks. So before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment we have 18 points. Okay, 18 is a non-graded one in which we have to save, close and submit the file. So we have just 18 questions in today's assignment. Okay, so let me start today's assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get 100% marks. Remember that we are solving Exp22 Excel chapter 3 HOE jobs. Here is project description. You are an academic advisor for School of Computing at university. Okay. Your research the jobs outlook that indicated that the number of jobs in 2019 and the estimated number of jobs in 2029. You will prepare several charts to help you identify trends. So that was simply project description. Now we are moving toward graded boards. Steps to perform. Instructions. Start Excel, then download and open the file name that we have already downloaded from Pearson platform. Grader has automatically added our last name in the beginning of the file name. Okay, so first of all we will open the solution file that we call solution file. Okay, it is just getting opening. Then next, so first part is done, that is a not graded one, but we have to solve that one. Okay, now in next part you want to start by creating a clustered column chart. You will focus on first 4 jobs including in the list. Okay, so in Outlook sheet, okay, we are there in Outlook sheet. Then use insert tab to create a clustered column chart for a range A5 to D9. Okay, so first we have to select the range A5 to D9, this range. For this range we have to create clustered column chart. So click on insert or recommended and there is clustered column chart. Then cut the chart and paste it in cell each one. Okay, now we have to cut mean select this chart, then simply Control X, then paste that in each one. Okay, then set 3.5 inches height and 5.3 inches width. Now we have to select this one, format. Now we have to increase format height 3.5 and width is 5.3. Now we have to increase width 5.3. Okay, so this question is done. and we have earned nine marks from this question. Okay, so in question number 2 we have to move toward outlook sheet, and there we have to use insert tab to create a clustered column chart for the range A5 to D9. After creating that chart, then we have to cut the chart and paste it in cell H1. After inserting that in each one, then we have to set its height 3.5 inches and width 5.3 inches. And we have done, and we get this result. Okay. So question number 2 is done. Now we are moving to question number 3. Next, you want to create a recommended chart to depict the number of people of each job and the estimated number of new people by 2029. So in Outlook sheet, use a recommended chart feature to create a recommended chart in the range for the range A5 to B12. Okay, first we have to select the range A5 to B12, then D5 to D12. Okay, hold on control key and select D5 to D12. Now we have to create a recommended chart feature to create a recommended chart. Okay, so click on insert a recommended chart, and we have to create a recommended chart, this one. Then after creating this chart, now we have to change it to stack bar chart. Okay, now we have to change it to stack bar chart. Select this one, then here is change type, so we have to select stack bar chart. And move it to chart sheet named bar chart. Now we have to move that to new sheet, that name is bar chart. Okay, select this one, move chart to a new sheet, and the name is bar chart. Okay, simply press OK, so that will be done. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3 we just move to our Outlook sheet, then use a recommended chart feature to create a recommended chart for the range A5 to B12, then hold on control key and select next range, that is a D5 to D12. After selecting the ranges, then we have to create a recommended chart, then we have to change that chart type to stack bar chart, then move that chart to a new sheet named bar chart. After solving question number 3, we earn 10 marks from there. Okay. Now we are moving toward question number 4. For third chart, you want to see what percentage each job contributes to the total job pool. Okay. Display the new jobs worksheet. Okay, first we have to display new jobs worksheet. This one. Then select the range A4 to B9. Then use quick analysis to create a pie chart. Okay, now we have to use quick analysis, this one, and create a pie chart. Then move pie chart to a chart sheet called pie chart. Okay, now we have to move pie chart to chart sheet called pie chart. Now we have to copy this name from here, then move this chart. Okay, select this chart, then here is move option, then new sheet, and name that sheet is pie chart. Okay, So question number 4 is done. In question number 4, what we have done, we have to display the new jobs worksheet, then select the range A4 to B9, then use quick analysis to create a pie chart. Okay, after creating a pie chart, then we have to move that pie chart to a chart sheet called pie chart. Okay, there is one note available. Okay, and what is that notes? We just simply read that one. Note: Mac user use the ribbon to create a pie chart. If you are Mac user, then you have to follow this instruction. So after solving question number 4, we have earned 10 marks. Okay, now moving toward question number 5. The last chart will depict the number of new jobs and related percentage increases. Because two data types are different, you will create a combo chart. So in Outlook sheet, okay, first we have to move to our Outlook worksheet. Then select the ranges E5 to E12, then D5 to E12. Okay, first we have to select the ranges A5 to E12, then D5 to E12. Okay. Then create a combo chart with clustered column line on a secondary axis. Okay. We have to create a combo power chart, clustered column line on secondary. Okay. Then move combo chart to a chart sheet called combo chart. Okay. Now we have to copy this combo chart. Then select this one. Then click on move chart, new sheet. Simply press OK. Okay. Now you may see new sheet is development. Our combo chart is shifted there. Okay. So question number 5 is done. After solving question number 5, we have earned 10 marks from there. So till now we have solved first 5 questions and we have earned almost half of assignment. So in question number 5, we have to move toward Outlook sheet. There we have to select the range A5 to A12 and D5 to D12. After selecting the ranges, then we have to create a combo chart with clustered column line on secondary axis. Then move combo chart to a chart sheet called combo chart. Okay. So question number 5 is done, and now we are moving toward question number 6. It is important to replace default chart titles and actual descriptive chart titles. Okay, so with a combo chart selected, type number of new jobs 2021 and 2029 job title. Okay, we have to apply this as chart title for combo chart. Here select this chart title, control V. Then apply bold black text one font color to a chart title. Okay, now we have to apply bold. Select this one, apply bold there, then font color black text one. So question number 6, first part is done. Now we are moving toward next part. In next part we have to select pie chart. Okay, now we have to select pie chart. Then type new computer related jobs by 2029 for chart title. Now we have to apply this as chart title. Okay. Then we have to apply bold. Then apply font size 18, black text on font color. Okay. So first we have to apply their bold. Select this one, apply bold, then font size 18 point, then font color black text 1. So question number 6 part B is done. Same way we will solve part C and D step by step. Then we will move toward question number 7 and up to last part. Okay. So in today's video we have discussed almost half of assignment. In today's video we have discussed Exp22 Excel chapter 3 who jobs. In start we just discussed project description. Then we move toward graded part and we have solved question number 1. Then we have solved question number 2. Then we have solved question number 3, 4. Then we have solved question number 5, 6. Okay. So almost half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact with me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes with reasonable price. Okay, remember that we will charge a reasonable price. Marks will be 100% and result will be just like your file will be ready in next 30 minutes. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and marks will be 100% in overall course. Remember that I am also expert of other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Power BI project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I'm available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Remember that your file will be ready in next 30 minutes. Result will be 100%. Price will be reasonable. So in today's video, we have discussed XP22 Excel chapter 3 who jobs. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.